guys, it's your girl Pozzy. Welcome back to the channel. P-O-Z-Z-I, don't forget the E. P-O-Z-Z-I. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the hot suit. This is actually my second hot suit.
Another one.
I absolutely swear by the hot suit, especially if you are trying to lose weight. But before I get into it, do me a favor and hit that subscribe and like button. And also be sure to follow me on Instagram for more creative content, music, films, all that other good stuff. But let's get into it. So this is how it comes packaged. And by the way, this is not a paid review. I'm doing this for the people who love fitness and for people who are also looking for ways to kind of amp up their workout and actually lose weight a lot quicker. You might want to get one of these. So this is how it comes packaged. I actually love this color. This is one of their new colors. And I love it. I love that it's a pullover hoodie. I read on some of the reviews for the one that zips down that the zipper can possibly like get stuck or can either not latch and keep coming open. I said, you know what, let me just get the pullover hoodie that has the little zipper here to fit your noggin through. I have a rather large head. Damn! I appreciate that this comes with a zipper. Here's what the inside looks like. This is actually really, this is so durable, you guys. Like, you won't rip this. It's insulated. This is what causes you to sweat your bum off. I absolutely love that it is lined. The whole suit is like this. So this is what you're getting. The material is very sturdy. I love this. Also, you might want to order a size or a few sizes up. This size that I ordered is actually a 3XL. I'm about 5'6", and I weigh about, right now, I would say none of your business, but this is for the people to help you on your weight loss journey. I think I'm at like 158, 160. I'm trying to get back down to 140. But, so this is gonna do it. This is what the back looks like. I love this because if you're a runner like myself, if you're running at night, this is actually reflective, which is very helpful. And this is the pants. I love these pants. The same thing. You're gonna find that it's lined exactly like the hood. This stuff is so durable. Let me tell you something. I have gone through so many sauna suits. I'm like the sauna suit guru, okay? This is one sauna suit that's not gonna rip. Your crotch is not gonna rip. The material is so durable. It's insane. And the only reason why I got this second one is because I wanted a different color. The other one is still intact. It almost still looks brand new. The other good thing about getting it sized up and wearing it in the 3X is you can actually put it over your clothes, which is usually how I like to work out. I will basically just keep what I have on, of course wear a sports bra, have my tights underneath, and I would just throw this right on top. Why do I do that? Because it causes me to burn even more sweat. But if you like to work out with it directly against your skin, it's totally up to you, whatever your preference. After you finish working out with the hot suit, I definitely do recommend washing it. You can wash it in the sink, cold water and soap, hang dry it, and you're good to go. And that's pretty much it. The hot suit works, you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review. If you are interested in getting yourself a hot suit, be sure to look below for the link. Let me know how it works for you. I've had great success with it. I hope that it brings you some success as well on your weight loss journey. I will be checking back soon within 2 weeks to show you my results of wearing this for the next 2 weeks when I do my runs and my workouts. I'm gonna just basically track how well I'm doing with my weight loss because I didn't do that the last time and I should have done that. So this time I'm actually going to be taking before and after pictures. So stay tuned and come back to the channel to see how much weight I can lose using the hot suit. Bye guys.